there guys, so today's video is going to be another minimizing video, and it's going to be my garage because guys, I know I talk about minimalism a lot, but we still have a long way to go. If you've been here since the very beginning, you know that this is a long process, and we started what, like 2 years ago? 2 years ago, I think, something like that. Around the time Ari was born, I think, so maybe soon after. So coming up on 2 years. And this right here is a beast. If you don't know, we're moving into a brand new house on March 15th. We have bought our first house. It's being built. And in here, when we moved here from Illinois, we decided that all of the boxes in here that we hadn't unpacked yet, we would leave for 6 months, and after 6 months, we would donate it. We are moving before that 6-month mark. And because of that, we have decided that we are going to go through everything quickly, but because it hasn't been touched and I'm not the most sentimental person, I'm not going to have that hard of a time letting go of stuff. But I'm going to take you guys with me and show you the mess that this is. Don't judge me. Try not to judge me. You're going to get real judgy, especially if you're a minimalist, in about 2 seconds. But let's just go ahead and walk a little bit through what we're gonna go through, what I think we're gonna definitely be getting rid of. And actually it isn't quite as scary as it looks, because this whole big stack right in the beginning here is all packing supplies, because this is a rental house, so we knew we weren't staying here, so we kept our packing supplies. So everything that you see in this pile right here is all stuff that is for packing. Like, that is full of packing stuff. So all of our boxes and everything, all of the boxes that are in like these plastic tubs are already gone through. We have like one Christmas, one Halloween and Easter, a homeschool one, and then like all of our moving blankets are up there. So right back here is all the stuff we're going to actually go through. And yeah, but first we're going to pull out all the stuff that we know is not going anywhere. We also are going to have to eventually clean up this sandbox. That's we put a sandbox in here for Rev for sensory input during the winter, so we have that there. Okay, so we're gonna go through this little bit first, and then we'll go in there for the rest. These I'm definitely going to keep. These are the wooden Tinker toys, but the girls just aren't quite old enough to really play with them yet, so we don't have them out at the moment. Actually, Rev might possibly play with them now. This is the thing we get asked about all the time. The rest of it is in there somewhere. It's like our lattice basket hanging thing for the kitchen. We didn't have room in this house, but we have always used it, so we're actually just going to spray paint it black to match the new house, and keep it, so we are going to keep it. And this can go. Be gone!
Be gone with it! Homeschool storage.
Yes, my storage bin.
Running shoes. You know me, I'm getting back into running. I'm getting back into running.
Oh, are you?
Yeah.
This you can get rid of, because you have your other one. You have your speed cube. You have your speed cube. Be gone.
This was my first
one.
one.
Be gone. Can we just throw it away? Because I really hated this bath mitt. What's that smell? So this has got like wedding and game stuff. Actually, all these games we do play, we have way more two-person games than I like realized. See, this is why I'm kind of glad we didn't, because Ryan and I have been playing more games lately, and we've been thinking we don't have more two-player games, but we do. We got a bunch. So we will keep those. But these, I'm probably gonna part with them, and this is one of the harder things because these are our wedding bouquets. So these were bridesmaids bouquets. We let our bridesmaids keep their bouquets, but some of them didn't, so we have 2 of them. And then this is ours. And it always matched our house, but in our new house, it's not going to match the decor anymore. So we're going to have to say goodbye. And we have air mattress, which we definitely will keep. I know we plan to have kids, but by the time we actually have kids, we can buy a new one. Yeah. It's not a big deal. Here's stuff I've been looking for. You just haven't been too lazy to come out and actually get it. Okay, so we've actually made quite a bit of progress here. So all this we're going to leave in here because our coffee table, we're going to actually paint it. Hopefully not too far after we move in. Those are books that Ryan needs to decide what to do with. Apparently all of these boxes are just full of moving blankets. So this is all moving and packing stuff. We're going to sell this dryer. When we moved in, we had a gas dryer and it's only electric here, so gotta get rid of that. So all of these plastic bins that you see are all stuff that's permanent storage. So we have one future baby bin because we do plan more kids. So there's just a few things that I know I'm not going to want to repurchase that are in there, like blankets that were made too that could be used as well. Then we have a homeschool bin. We have this bin, which is all like moving supplies and stuff. All of our bungee cords, and 2 seasonal bins. One that has pretty much just Easter and Halloween, and then a Christmas bin over there. That bin over there is going to be going in our linen closet. Upstairs we have our Christmas tree. Obviously we need a lawnmower. That's all the homeschool room supplies stuff that I talked about. Then right here is stuff that's going to be going in the homeschool room as well. And then we have all of our wall decorations that we'll finally be able to hang up right there. And we have our lamps, our nice lamp right here too that we will be using. But all this we are getting rid of. Woohoo!
What?
Just observing you in your natural habitat.
I'm tweeting USPS about being on the phone on hold for 2 hours.
Alrighty guys, so we got everything back into the garage, and quite frankly it looks the same as it did. But going through everything, honestly there's just like a stack here. This is all that's actually going to be in our garage, plus that fridge back there. That's all that's going to be in our garage once we donate and sell like this. We have a dryer right there like we talked about, and we put all the stuff, we filled up Brian's car entirely with stuff that we're going to sell or donate. So we actually did get rid of quite a bit, but we didn't get rid of any of the boxes obviously because we still have to move with all this stuff and fill all of it with what's in our house. So we did get a lot accomplished, and when we actually move into our house, there's just this small stack here that's going to be in our garage. So we did dwindle a lot. But otherwise, we did fairly well. It just kind of doesn't look like we did, but we did. I showed you guys the big stack of stuff we got rid of. So mostly a lot of it is toys, things that don't match with the new decor of the house, stuff like that. Don't worry guys, once we move into the new house, I'm going to be giving you guys tours of every room and showing you how we have everything set up. So you'll get to see, I will prove to you that we really did dwindle our garage space. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. By the way, this is our rug that I'm leaning on. Hit that subscribe button if you are new. And as always, I will see your wonderful faces, I believe Wednesday, because I think this is going up on a Sunday.